Police in Columbus, Ohio say officers shot and killed a man after they say he stormed into a restaurant and attacked people with a machete. 4 people were injured in the attack at Nazareth Mediterranean Restaurant and Deli on Thursday night.
According to some of the employees, the man was seen going into the restaurant. There was a conversation between him and an employee. We're not going to get into exactly what that conversation was, and he left. And approximately half hour, 45 minutes later, he returned and immediately started the attack.
Police say restaurant employees and customers threw chairs at the suspect to stop him. He eventually fled in a white car before officers in several patrol cars caught up with him.
The suspect ended up getting out of the vehicle all the way. At that point, he had a machete and another knife in his hand, and he lunged across the hood at the officers. Another officer in a cruiser fired a couple shots at him and put him down.
Police did not release the suspect's name on Thursday night. Authorities say it looks like a random attack with no immediately apparent connection to terrorism. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press.